everybody, it's Jennifer. I hope everyone is doing well, has been able to get outside and be grateful, even if it's raining or the sun is shining. Today we are reading another favorite in our household that's all about finding happiness. The book is called The Pout-Pout Fish by Deborah Diesen. Let's get started. Deep in the water, where the fish hang out, lies a gloomy, glum swimmer with an ever-present pout. I'm a pout-pout fish with pout-pout face, so I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Along comes a clam with a wide-winning grin and a pearl of advice for her pal to take in. Hey, Mr. Fish, with your crosstown frown, don't you think it's time to turn it upside down? Says the fish to his friend. Nice thought, Miss Clam. I hear what you're saying, but it's just the way I am. I'm a pout-pout fish with pout-pout face, and I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Along comes a jellyfish. He floats through the ocean, his tentacles all trailing in a gentle locomotion. Hey, Mr. Fish, with your daily scaly scowl, I wish you wouldn't greet us with a grimace and a growl. Says the fish to the friend, Mr. Jelly, I agree. I'd like to be more friendly, but it isn't up to me. I'm a pout-pout fish with pout-pout face, and I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Along comes a squid, quite a slender, squiggly sight. She is squirmy, she is squelchy, she is slightly impolite. Hey, Mr. Fish, how about a little smile? Your kaleidoscope of mope, a little joy, a little hope? Says the fish to his friend, Mrs. Squid, I would try, but I haven't any choice. Take a look and you'll see why. I'm a pout-pout fish with pout-pout face, and I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Along comes an octopus with 8 great arms, covered on the underside with tiny sucker charms. Hey, Mr. Fish, let me tell you to it straight. Your hulky, bulky sulking is an unattractive trait. Says the fish to his friend, Mr. 8, my chum, without a mouth like mine, I am destined to be glum. I'm a pout-pout fish with a pout-pout face, and I spread the dreary wearies all over the place. Blub, blub, blub. Now along comes a fish in a silent silver shimmer. The gang has never seen before this bright and brilliant swimmer. She approaches Mr. Fish, but instead of saying hey, she plants a kiss upon his pout, and then she swims away. Mr. Fish is most astounded. Mr. Fish is just aghast. He is stone-faced like a statue. Then he blinks, and he speaks at last. "My friend," says Mr. Fish, "I should have known it all along. I thought that I was pouty, but it turns out I was wrong." I'm a kiss-kiss fish with a kiss-kiss face for spreading cheery cherries all over the place. Smooch, 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 smooch. Smooch. The end. I hope you loved that story as much as we do. If you have any requests, please comment on our Facebook page and I will do my best to accommodate what you really enjoy to read. So we look forward to seeing you again soon, and remember to be kind. Bye.